for joining in, and for today's video I have some various art supplies that I'm going to go over here for a good holiday gift guide for artists, or if you're looking for some art supplies yourself. So first up we have the Meilang Watercolor palette here. This is one of their newer ones from Amazon, and there are 52 different colors in this set. And it does come with that little plastic protector there. So you have a bunch of different yellows and some oranges and reds, a lot of different blues and greens, and there are 2 different blacks included, as well as a gold and a silver. Next up here I have some brush pens from Grabby. These are the acrylic paint pens, and there was 20 different colors in this particular set. They do have many different sets. This is just the only one that I currently own. So again, it was the brush tip ones, and these you do have to shake up a little bit before you use them. The lids are good and tight there. I wanted to leave that in case anybody was curious. They're definitely secure. And then they have the nice point. But they also have the extra fine tip ones if you're interested in those too. But this set actually comes with this nice little drawing pad. And there's a few different color options here. You have black, purple, beige, and white. And here you can see the different swatches on both the black and white papers here. The quality of the paper is really nice. It's nice and smooth, and the best part is there's no show through on the other side. For the colors, there's a few different pinks, a few different blues and greens, 1 brown, 1 black, and a white. And then there's a gray in there as well. And this pretty teal color, some orange. And next up we have some watercolor paper here. This is from Meilang. And the size that I have is the 10 by 7 inches. You get 20 sheets on this pad, and they are the 300 GSM, which is 140-pound paper. It does have a nice texture, and right here I'm showing that's where you could stick a little card in there and then wiggle it around the edges to get it apart. Or you can use a X-Acto knife as well. But yep, that is really nice paper. I use that quite a bit. And also we have here some watercolors from Meilang. This is their pan set, and mine was the set of 48 different colors. There is a larger set. I think it was 96 if you wanted a bunch of metallic colors as well. But it does come with a small brush. I would say it's similar to a size 6, and then of course the pencil there too for some of your drawing. And so you can see there's a lot of colors, different colors here, but they actually pop out. You just have to wiggle it on the edges and it will come out. So you can take little ones on the go, or if you just wanted to rearrange the colors, you could do that too. A few different options there. But yep, they have a couple metallic colors up here in the corner, so there's 6. And then down here in the bottom corner, there are 6 fluorescent colors there as well. And then up top, you have your mixing area. So you can see how bright and vibrant these colors are. And it does come with its own plastic chart there as well of all the swatches if you needed it or needed to refer to something, as well as the other one there. The only thing I will say, this case is a little bit heavy. It's nothing that I would recommend traveling with. It's a little bulky, but the paints themselves are really great quality. And last up here, I have a few brushes. These all came in a set together off of Amazon, the Princeton Neptune series. So you have a larger flat brush for your background and bigger washes, and then a nice cat's tongue brush that comes to the point, a bigger round brush that was a size 12, and then the little one was a 4. I've had these for at least 5 or 6 years, and the quality is definitely very good. So if you were interested in purchasing these, maybe you can catch them on a sale for Black Friday. There are many different ones to choose from. This is just the only one that I have personally. But yep, they're really good quality, and anything that lasts that long, if you're using them consistently, is always a bonus there. But the Princeton Neptune series, or another honorable mention, is the Silver Black Velvet brushes are really nice too. And that is it for today's quick video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and check out the links down below if you're interested in some holiday shopping. See you next time.